2012 GLK Class. Based on the C-Class, the GLK joins the small upscale SUV class. Its smooth 268 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 delivers quick acceleration and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless entry, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control, security system, MP3 player, power windows, fog lamps, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.